How to convert your Facebook friends into followers. Converting your Facebook friends into followers is totally doable, but it depends on whether you are talking about personal profile or a Facebook page. So here is for the personal profile. Once inside the Facebook app, all you have to do is tap on the three dashboard at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section of Facebook. Now, once in there, scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy, then tap on the settings. Once inside the settings, tap on the how people find and contact you option available there. Then once you tap on it, just make sure that you have put every options in every one. So you can see at the first there is who can send you friend request option available there. Make sure it is in everyone. And also the second option, make sure it is in public and tap on the save option available there. Again, once done so, you can go back to the settings again, and once inside the settings, this time tap on the followers option available there. Now tap on the followers and other content option available there, and then under who can follow me, choose public. Your friends are now automatically followers and non-friends can follow you too if they want. From now on, people can follow your public post and friends automatically follow you unless they unfollow. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.